Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
The need and want for designer dogs is becoming increasingly more popular.
Well, the party was nice, the party was pumping.
Hey, yeah.
And everybody having a ball.
Hey, hey.
Until the fellas start the name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I have a poor one shout out.
Who let the dogs out?
Students will sort 3 decks of dog pictures in 3 different ways to help them visualize the differences between purebred and mixed breeds.
Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball cushion. Billy Fountains get out. Get back, Gruffy. Bash Gruffy. Get back, you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I'm man, no get angry.
Hey, yeah.
280 cows calling them K9. Hey! But they tell me, hey man, it's part of the party. You put a woman in front and a man behind. I have a woman shout out.
Students will create a visual aid of their choice to pitch their idea to a potential breeder. They will defend their process by providing Punnett squares and pedigrees, demonstrating how traits are passed.
Say, a doggy is nothing if he don't